Next, we are going to calculate the amount of claims of the current year and adjust of outstanding balances of the previous year, as well as we are going to calculate how much they are on direct business, on accepted reinsurance and ceded reinsurance. Let's see. Now, claims paid and received are given to you. The ones that are paid are what the business has paid directly to its own clients, or maybe the business accepted some reinsurance and they had to pay the claims for that insurance. Okay. So, claims during this year, these are the current year's claims paid, right? That means they are done, they have been paid. So, 16,50,000 on the direct business, right? 1,25,000, sorry, on the insurance accepted. Okay, then go by this order. Payable on 1st April 2017, 95,000, it goes as minus. Okay, then payable on again previous year but reinsurance accepted is 13,000. Okay, so it goes here. So my advice to you would be, when you're solving, draw out this whole pro forma first, meaning this format. It's not a strict format, but draw this out, make your columns and keep, and accordingly enter. Then you do data entry, post them from here to here. Okay, then on 31st March 2018, that's the current year outstanding figure for direct business is 1,75,000, and for reinsurance business current outstanding is 22,000. Okay. Now, first let's also fill in these amounts. Claim is received. Okay. Claim is received only when it is on reinsurance ceded. Current year's is 1 lakh. Last year's outstanding of claims receivable on reinsurance ceded are 9,000, and current year's outstanding are 12,000. Done. So adjust these now, add them up. 1650 plus 175 is 18,25,000. Same way, total of this 1,47,000. I'll go a little fast at this because you can of course check yourself later the totals. 1,12,000. Then after minusing all these, what do you have? 17,30,000, then 1,34,000 and 1,03,000. Okay. Now, not the final totals as yet. There may be some adjustments that we should always look for in terms of claims. There could be some other type of expenses related to claims like surveyor's fees, legal expenses, etc. Okay. So, if you see this little additional information that is given to you, you are given things like all types of expenses, salaries, rent, print, interest and so on. You are also given that legal expenses inclusive of rupees 20,000 in connection of settlement of claims. Okay. So, what it means is, in total they have legal expenses of this business. Okay. They have one expense in their account, that is of all the legal expenses. Out of these total legal expenses, 20,000 is of claims. It is related to the settlement of claims. So, you have to take out that 20,000 from this 60 and add it to the direct business of claims. Done. And what will happen to the remaining 40? We have taken only 20, only the part which is connected to the claims amount. Remaining 40 will go under your operating expenses schedule 4 as legal expense, right? Not necessary that all legal expenses are of claims only. There could be other disputes, there could be other lawyer charges that the company is paying. So the remaining legal expenses will be considered as operating expense. Done. So this finally gives us 17,50,000 after adding legal expenses. Okay, nil here, nil here. So we will have the same totals, 134 and 1,03,000. Done. Okay, so these are the total amounts of claims on all types of reinsurance, all types of insurance businesses, direct, accepted and ceded. Okay, so same way transfer this to the actual note to the revenue account. This is the proper schedules of the revenue account. So one by one, on direct business 17,50,000, then add 1,34,000. Total you get here 1884, right? And from that minus ceded, which is 1,03,000. Outer column, how much do we have? 17,81,000. Okay, 17,81,000 is the total claims incurred.